Okay, good morning children. So today we are going to start off with present continuous tense. In the last class we did simple present tense, right? So today we are going to do present continuous tense. Alright? So what is present continuous tense? Continuous tense is something that is still continuing. Okay? Present continuous talks about actions that are being done now. The actions that are still in progress. Alright? Whereas when we talk about simple present tense, we talked about habits, some things that we do regularly, or some things that happen according to a timetable, or some universal facts, right? Those were all included in simple present tense. But when we're talking about present continuous tense, we're talking about actions that we are doing now, like I'm teaching you now, right? So that is present continuous, right? So we use the present continuous tense to talk about an action which is happening at the moment of speaking. While I'm speaking, what is happening now? I'm teaching. So this is the present continuous as of now, right? Now look at these two sentences. Kate usually watches TV after dinner. But now she's studying. Kate usually watches TV after dinner is simple present, right? Something she does regularly, right? But what is she doing now? She is studying. But now she is studying. So that is present continuous. Okay? Now, we'll look at some spelling rules for using the ing form. Okay? How do you recognize the continuous tense? We use ing form in present continuous, right? Any continuous tense we use ing form. So we'll look at some rules here, spelling rules that we use to use the ing form, okay, in the verbs. To make the present tense a present continuous, we add ing to the infinitive of the verb. All right, we use the ing form to the verb. For most verbs, we just add ing to the base form of the verb, like read becomes reading, cook becomes cooking, speak becomes speaking, right? So we generally, for most of the words, we just add the ing at the end, okay? But some short verbs double the last consonant when we add ing, like run becomes running. We add another n to the word there, right? What is the spelling of running? R-U-N-N-I-N-G, right? And swim becomes swimming. Mop becomes mopping. Okay? Here, for verbs ending in a consonant, E, drop the E and add